Welcome to English Daily Channel.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our show.
Hi, David. Hi, everyone.
Today, we talk about Ava's English. You speak very well now, Ava. How did you learn English?
I learned English in a very special way. I never learned grammar.
Wait, you never learned grammar?
Never. Not even once.
So you didn't learn grammar at all?
No grammar. I only focused on speaking, listening, and reading.
Speaking, listening, and reading? That's all?
Yes, that's all. No grammar rules, no grammar books.
That's surprising. Most people start with grammar.
I know, but I didn't need it. I just wanted to use English, not pass a test.
So, Ava, what did you do first? You said no grammar, right?
Right, no grammar. I started with small English stories.
Small stories? Like children's stories?
Yes, very simple stories. One short story every day.
One story a day. That sounds nice.
Yes, I read it slowly, and I read it many times.
Many times? You read one story many times?
Yes, because I wanted to feel the words, not just see them.
To feel the words, not just see them. I like that.
After reading, I went to the mirror and talked.
To the mirror? You talked to yourself?
Yes, I told my day in English. I used words from the story.
You used words from the story to talk about your life.
Exactly. For example, if the story had I wake up early, I said I wake up early about me.
So you borrowed words from the story and made them yours.
Yes, I made them mine. At first, it was slow, but I liked it.
You liked it even when it was slow?
Yes, because it felt real. It was my life in English.
That's smart. You used stories to start speaking.
Yes, stories gave me words, and the mirror gave me confidence.
Stories gave you words, and the mirror gave you confidence. I like that.
It's true. Every day I said, "This is my life in English."
That's powerful. You told your life in English every day.
Yes, it felt like building something new, step by step.
Ava, you said you talked to yourself in the mirror. Did that change later?
Yes, it changed. At first, I only talked about my day.
Your day? Like, I wake up, I eat breakfast?
Yes, exactly. I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to work.
Simple sentences, every day.
Yes, but then I made it bigger. I started to imagine scenes.
Scenes? What kind of scenes?
Like going to a cafe, or asking for directions, or buying food in a market.
Oh, so you practiced real-life English at the mirror.
Yes, real life. I would say, "Hello, can I have a coffee, please?" Or, "Excuse me, where is the bus stop?"
That sounds like real English practice.
Yes, and it was fun. It was like acting.
Acting? Like you were in a play?
Yes, like I was in a play. I felt less afraid because it was just me and the mirror.
Just you and the mirror, but real situations in English.
Yes, and after some weeks, I could speak faster and with more confidence.
More confidence just from mirror practice.
Yes, because I felt ready for real life.
So, Ava, you practiced at the mirror, but did you only talk to yourself?
No, later I opened more channels for English.
More channels? What kind of channels?
I started watching short English videos, news, cartoons, even short clips from shows.
News and cartoons? That's interesting. Why cartoons?
Cartoons are simple, clear, and fun. They helped me listen without stress.
That's smart. Easy to understand and fun to watch.
Yes, I also started using AI to chat in English.
AI? Like talking to a computer?
Yes, talking to AI was great. It never laughed at my mistakes.
That's true. AI doesn't laugh.
And I posted in English forums. I wrote questions, shared ideas, and people answered me.
So you chatted with AI and posted online.
Yes, and people answered me. That felt amazing
Amazing? Why amazing?
because strangers understood me. People far away in other countries understood my English.
That's big. Your English went around the world.
Yes, and every answer was like a gift. I thought, wow, they get me. I can do this.
So those answers gave you power to keep going.
Exactly. Every time I saw a reply or someone understood me, I wanted to learn more.
So videos gave you input, AI gave you safe practice, and forums gave you real people to talk to.
Yes, I felt like my world was bigger because of English.
Ava, you talk about AI chats and online posts. What made you keep doing it every day?
It was the feedback, positive feedback.
Positive feedback? Like what?
Every time someone understood me, I felt happy. When someone answered my post, I felt proud.
So one reply could change your day?
Yes, one reply could make me feel, I am growing. I am better today than yesterday.
Better today than yesterday. I like that.
Yes, it's like playing a game. Every day I got small rewards.
Small rewards?
Yes, a simple thank you from someone online or AI saying, good job. It was small, but it made me smile.
So the feedback worked like points in a game.
Exactly. I wanted to keep playing. I wanted to get more points, more good jobs, more thank yous.
That's powerful. Many people quit because they don't feel progress.
Yes, but feedback shows progress. Even a small, I understand you, means I'm better than before.
Hmm. So positive feedback made you stronger.
Yes, it gave me energy every day. Even when I felt tired, one good message made me open my English book or start a chat again.
That's amazing. Feedback changed your mood and your learning speed.
It did. I think without feedback, I might stop. But with feedback, I kept going and I even did more.
So feedback is not just nice, it's the reason you kept learning.
Yes, feedback is like fuel. No fuel, no car. No feedback, no learning.
Ava, after all that practice and feedback, what changed in your mind?
One day, I noticed something new. I started to think in English.
You started to think in English?
Yes, simple things first, like, I'm hungry, or where is my phone, came in English, not my first language.
Wow, so your brain switched to English for small things.
Yes, and it felt natural. I didn't push it.
It just happened.
That's a big change. Did it make speaking easier?
Yes, I didn't have to translate in my head. Words just came out.
That's powerful. Thinking in English changes everything.
And then I hit a wall.
A wall? What do you mean?
I could speak, I could chat, but I didn't understand idioms.
Idioms? Like piece of cake or hit the road?
Yes, exactly. People used idioms and I didn't know them. I felt lost sometimes.
So you could talk, but some parts of English culture were missing.
Yes, I wanted to sound natural, not just correct.
So what did you do?
I focused on idioms and culture. I read about why people use these phrases.
Why they say break the ice or spill the beans.
Yes, I learned the story behind the words, and it was fun.
Fun? Really? Many people think idioms are hard.
They are, but when you know the story, they make sense. For example, spill the beans means telling a secret. I learned it came from an old voting system with beans.
That's cool. So learning idioms was like learning culture too.
Exactly. It was not just words, it was life, history, jokes.
And how did that feel?
It felt like I joined the English world, not just learned English words.
Joined the English world. That's beautiful.
Thank you. That time was my happiest time learning English.
Why happiest?
Because I could use English every day, and now I could understand jokes, stories, even songs.
So from thinking in English to hitting a wall to learning idioms, and now you had culture in your English too?
Yes, and it made me feel free.
Ava, I know you had a big change in listening. How did that happen?
Yes, 1 month changed everything.
1 month? That's fast. What did you do?
I didn't do passive listening. Just letting English play in the background never helped me.
So, no passive listening. What did you do instead?
I did active listening. I chose short clips. I focused. I repeated. I wanted to understand every word, every sound.
So you listened carefully, not just played English music or TV.
Exactly. Because of my earlier practice, I already had the base. 1 month of focused listening built the walls on that base.
The base was ready, and listening put up the walls.
Yes, and then speaking became easy.
Easy. Why?
Because I didn't need to ask, what does this mean? Or how do you say this all the time? I already heard it many times. I already knew the patterns.
So listening gave you ready-made phrases, like a library in your head.
Yes, my English had a skeleton already. Listening gave it muscles and skin.
That's a nice way to say it. The skeleton was there, and you just added life to it.
Yes, something like that. And after that, I just kept it alive with news.
News. Why news?
News has new words, trends, even fun buzzwords. If something big happens, it's in the news, and new words come with it.
So news is like your English gym.
Exactly. I listen, I learn the new words, and I understand the world too.
Ava, I need to ask. You said you never learned grammar, but do you understand grammar now?
Yes, I do, but not from books.
Not from books. Then how?
I learned grammar from using English. I read, I listened, I spoke, and I noticed patterns.
Patterns. Like what?
For example, I heard, I am eating, many times, and I heard, I eat every day. I noticed one is now, one is general. I didn't need rules. I just felt it.
So you built your own grammar in your head.
Yes, my grammar may not look like a school grammar book, but it works for me.
Does it help you speak and write clearly?
Yes, because my grammar grew from real life, not tests.
That's interesting. So your grammar is like your own map of English.
Yes, my own map. Not perfect for exams, maybe, but perfect for talking, reading, and writing.
And you made this map by yourself, step by step.
Yes, from real English. That's why I feel free when I speak. I'm not thinking about rules, I'm thinking about meaning.
That's powerful. You don't follow rules, you follow meaning.
Exactly.
Ava, your story is amazing. Let's look back. You never learned grammar from a book, right?
Right, no grammar books.
You started with small stories, you talked to the mirror, you used English in real life, you learned from feedback, you broke through with listening, and you even made your own grammar map.
Yes, that's my English story.
And now you speak English with confidence.
Yes, if I can do it, you can do it too.
Did you hear that? If Ava can do it, you can do it too. You don't need to be perfect. You need to keep going.
One step a day, one win a day.
One step a day, one win a day. I love that.
And about grammar, I built my own grammar from using English. It's not the same as a grammar book, but it works for me.
Curious, what if someone feels they can't do that?
That's okay. You can look at some basic grammar, just the basics. It might help at the beginning. But don't spend all your time on rules. Focus on using English, and grammar will grow with you.
That's great advice. So, basic grammar can help, but we don't need to be grammar experts to speak English.
Exactly.
To the audience, what about you? What is your way to practice English every day? Tell us in the comments. We read them, and we love to hear your stories.
Yes, share your story. We are learning together.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.